So Honor has officially announced the official release date of the Honor 600 series. The series consists of the Honor 600 and the 600 Pro. I've already talked about both devices on the channel before. You'll find the links to the videos in the video description. In this video description, if you're interested in finding out the details of the Honor 600 and the 600 Pro. Anyway, according to the details, the Honor 600 series will debut on April 23rd. That's April of this month. But according to what I got, these official release dates would be in France, that's in Europe. So I don't know when the device would be officially launched globally, okay? And according to the details, Honor is already pushing an early bird campaign where you can grab a €150 discount just for signing up, plus a chance to win accessories for as low as 10 euro cents. So this is the details that I have for you guys. Anyway, as regarding the top details of the Honor 600 series, and yeah, so these are just some of the top details of the Honor 600 series. This is what I have for you guys currently. Once I get more details about the Honor 600 series, I'll definitely share with you guys. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.